back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. In almost every one of my videos, I always end by telling you to please leave anything specific that you're looking for down in the comments. I know sometimes it can feel like I am not reading those because sometimes it's just hard to find those jobs you're looking for. But I do read those and I keep those always in the back of my mind in case I ever come across a job I know someone is looking for. And that is what has inspired today's video. Now, once before, somebody left down in the comments that they would enjoy some type of graphic design type jobs and work. And while this is not specifically graphic design, it is in that kind of realm. The huge company Yeti is hiring a graphic specialist. Now, one thing to note, if you are interested in applying for this position, the page is linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Once the page loads, you will have to scroll down about halfway down the page to get to the actual job description. But Yeti is hiring a graphic specialist. This is remote for the United States only. They are looking for somebody who can lead by example, focusing on activities with the biggest impact to their company. The activities may range from processing incoming orders with the team to leading cross-departmental trainings, creating departmental SOPs, and helping distribute work for the internal and external graphic support teams. So you are actually a support person for the graphic support teams. I'm not sure that you're going to actually be creating any graphics yourself. I think you're more managing the graphic design process and teams. It says you'll be a mastery of Yeti's customization processes as it relates to department activities. You need to be a self-starter with the ability to identify activities with the biggest impact and closest deadline. So you're going to have to prioritize different activities to get done for the company. You'll represent the department and customer interest when it comes to new processes and product offerings. You'll have the ability to cross-functionally work to accomplish different project goals. Now, best thing about this is they are not requiring any kind of college degree. Of course, they always prefer a degree, but only a high school diploma or GED is required. They do want somebody who has 2 years experience of full color customization or printing, someone who has experience working on complex projects to reach shared goals, so like in a team environment, someone who has strong customer orientation skills, someone who is a problem solver, someone who can use Microsoft Word and Excel. And of course, they do say they're looking for somebody who has worked in design programs like Adobe Suite or Corel Draw before. Now, unfortunately, pay was not listed for this position. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. As stated in the beginning of the video, please leave down below anything specific that you're looking for. You can include any education and experience that you have. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind in case I ever do come across a job lead that is perfect for you. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.